In this guide, I'll show you how to unlock the Secret Chat feature on Telegram. Secret Chat is a special feature on Telegram that provides enhanced security and privacy for your conversations. Messages in Secret Chats are end-to-end encrypted and call self-destruct. And here's how to use them. Open the Telegram app on your device and navigate to your contacts or use the search function to find the person you want to start a secret chat with. Next, tap on Contact's profile picture to open their profile, and click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Start Secret Chat from the drop-down menu. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm starting a secret chat with the contact. Confirm your choice. Start chatting with your contact in the secure, encrypted secret chat. Some of the features of Secret Chat are end-to-end encryption, self-destruct, timer, no forwarding, and no cloud storage. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.